Chapter 26: Building Systems and Automations. One of the biggest mistakes new entrepreneurs make is trying to run every part of their business manually. At first, this might feel manageable, answering emails, posting on social media, sending invoices, and fulfilling orders yourself. But as your business grows, doing everything by hand quickly becomes overwhelming. You'll spend all your time on repetitive tasks instead of focusing on growth, creativity, and strategy. That's where systems and automations come in. A system is simply a repeatable process for getting something done. It could be as simple as a checklist for publishing a blog post or as complex as a multi-step marketing campaign. Systems help you work more efficiently because you're not reinventing the wheel every time. They also make it easier to delegate tasks to others because you can hand them a clear process to follow. Automation is when you use tools or software to run parts of those systems without needing your direct involvement. This could be as basic as scheduling your social media posts in advance, or as advanced as setting up a full email marketing sequence that automatically nurtures leads and sells your products while you sleep. Automation doesn't replace the need for strategy and creativity. It just takes care of the repetitive work so you can focus on the high-value activities that move your business forward. One of the easiest areas to automate is email marketing. For example, when someone signs up for your lead magnet, an email automation tool can immediately send them the download link, follow up with additional tips, and eventually present your paid offer, all without you lifting a finger. You can create different automations for different segments of your audience, ensuring each person gets relevant messages at the right time. Another area where automation shines is sales. You can set up systems where a new lead from your website automatically goes into your CRM, customer relationship management tool, gets tagged with their interest or lead source, and is assigned to a specific follow-up sequence. In e-commerce, you can trigger abandoned cart emails when someone adds a product to their cart but doesn't check out, often recovering sales you would have otherwise lost. Social media can also benefit from automation. Tools like Buffer, Later, or Hotsuite allow you to batch create your posts for the week or month and schedule them in advance. While it's still important to show up personally to engage with your audience, scheduling your content frees you from having to be online at specific times every day. For internal operations, project management tools like Trello, Asana, or ClickUp can act as your business's central hub. You can create templates for common workflows, set recurring tasks, and keep your team aligned without constant back and forth messages. You can also use integrations through platforms like Zapier or Make to connect different tools together. For example, automatically saving new email subscribers to a Google Sheet, sending them to your email platform, and creating a Slack notification for your team. The key to building effective systems and automations is to start with your most repetitive and time-consuming tasks. Ask yourself, what am I doing over and over that could be streamlined or automated? Document this process step by step, then either delegate it to someone else or set up a tool to handle it for you. It's important to remember that automation is not about removing the human touch from your business. It's about freeing up your time so you can use your human touch where it matters most. Instead of being buried in admin work, you can spend your energy on creating better products, building relationships, and growing your audience. When you combine strong systems with smart automation, you create a business that can run smoothly even when you're not actively working. This gives you more freedom, more consistency, and the ability to scale without burning out. In the early days, it might feel like extra work to set these things up. But the payoff in saved time, reduced stress, and increased efficiency is huge, and it only grows as your business expands.